Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Iqbuds 07 using an easy method. First, make sure your earbuds are fully charged and prepared. Simply take both earbuds out of their charging case. They will power on automatically. You'll notice a slow white flashing light, which means they are now in pairing mode and ready to connect to your device. Next, grab your smartphone or tablet and navigate to its Bluetooth settings menu. This is where your device searches for nearby wireless connections. You should see Iqbuds 07 appear in the list of available devices. It will show up as one clear option, making it simple to identify your earbuds among other Bluetooth accessories. Once you see Iqbuds 07 in your Bluetooth list, simply tap on it to initiate the connection. Your device will then attempt to establish a link with your earbuds. After a few moments, you will hear a distinct voice prompt in your Iqbuds saying "connected," confirming a successful pairing. Your device's screen will also update to show the connection status. If you encounter any issues during pairing, don't worry. A common fix is to place both earbuds back into their charging case for about 5 seconds, then remove them and try the pairing process again. For a full reset, hold both main buttons for 8 seconds until the indicator lights flash white 3 times. Also, try toggling your device's Bluetooth off and on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.